Most people get telehealth apps wrong by assuming they are all the same, but Cura Health is designed to combine convenience with affordable, personalized care. Today, I'll share my honest review and usage experience. Cura Health connects you with licensed doctors through an app on your phone. You can chat, schedule video visits, and get prescriptions if needed. What sets it apart is its AI-driven intake process, which collects your symptoms, medical history, and lifestyle information before your consultation. Most people get this wrong by skipping the intake process, but it helps doctors provide faster and more accurate advice. The app is straightforward to use. After signing up, I answered a brief questionnaire, and within minutes, I was connected with a physician. Response times were impressive, often within an hour for non-urgent questions. Prescriptions and referrals are delivered electronically, which saves a trip to the clinic. Cura Health offers subscription plans, making visits more affordable than traditional urgent care or in-person visits. Even without insurance, the cost per consultation is reasonable. Most people get this wrong by assuming telehealth is expensive. They may be surprised at how accessible it is. The app isn't perfect. Some specialized care or lab tests still require in-person visits, but for general health concerns, minor illnesses, and ongoing medication management, Cura works very well. In conclusion, Cura Health is a convenient and cost-effective telehealth option. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the speed, affordability, and AI-driven efficiency of modern telemedicine. If you want quick, professional care without leaving home, Cura is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews of health apps and tools to make managing your health easier.